Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change right tilt action on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the M65 in our iCUE app by Corsair. We're going to go over into gestures, sorry, not gestures, but key assignments. And here we have the right tilt. Now the right tilt, we need to click on a plus first. I'll choose a Remap Keyboard and I'll add it as a, let's say a letter L. Now we're going to choose a button. So we need to choose it from here because we cannot tilt it. So right tilt. And now whenever I tilt it to the right, it is typing L. So that's how it works. You can easily change the actions to anything else like language keys, mouse, keystrokes, text, media launch app. You can also disable it. You can change the profiles on the app. Here we have some macros. Here we have voice changers and etc. So we can hear myself. We can activate the voice changer, and that's how we can do it. So that's how you guys can easily change the right tilt action on your Corsair M65. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.